Hi everybody! Happy Friday to all of you. It's April 9, kaya happy araw ng kagitingan. Yes, I am back. I made the decision. I'm ready. First, mag-e-explain ako. Nung in-announce na NCR Plus would be under ECQ, I got my doctor's certification para we could leave. Kasi natakot. I do have a compromised immunity. Not just a compromised immunity, pero marami talaga akong allergy sa iba't ibang klaseng gamot. So, kung may mangyari sa akin, mahirap mag-hospital. And I knew that the hospitals were getting full. So, I don't wanna, ayokong dumagdag sa mga worries ninyo. Please know, I am praying for you. So, nabigyan kami ng doctor's certificate and syempre, hindi na kami nakalipad where I was supposed to go. So, we went somewhere na hindi naka-ECQ, pero somewhere that I would feel safe. And thankfully, merong mga nag-ampon muna sa amin habang hinihintay namin. We're very near Kuya Josh and there is a place na malilipatan namin doon, kaya lang hindi instant. I think it'll take a couple of months para maayos so that it can be livable for us in the long term. Itong lahat ng to, okay, it's actually a very cute story. I was supposed, ngayon ko lang nalaman, special people wanted to surprise me. They wanted me to receive these rainbow balloons with the hearts and etong flowers nito. I was supposed to receive it last night, but I was not feeling well. So, nakatulog ako. Ganun ang buhay. I slept super early. And lumipad na siya. Okay. Ganyan ang buhay. Okay lang. Anyway, I fell asleep and because I was asleep, yung dapat matanggap kagabi, I ended up getting it today. So, naisip ko na it's perfect that I did get it today. Kasi, since sobrang hangin, I hope you can still hear me, na the main message kasi that the person knows me so well. So, alam that yesterday, I needed to see a rainbow because maraming storms na pinagdaanan. Maraming mga heartbreaks, heartaches, tears, sorrow, recently and over the years. And parating sinasabi sa akin na, you know, you gotta go through the rain and the storms and eventually you're gonna see that rainbow. So, gusto lang ipaalala sa akin na yes, Kris, may rainbow. And you're the girl who never gave up. So, keep believing na may rainbow. And as luck would have it, nakatulog nga so hindi nakita to kagabi. But, I felt may message si God. Yes, I saw it not last night when I was supposed to see it, but I saw it today. So, meaning, what was supposed to be seen yesterday, I actually saw the next day, which if you think about it, is tomorrow. Yung tomorrow ko became today. So, I felt na, yeah, there is a tomorrow. There is a tomorrow na I should believe in. Na sometimes yesterday, it's painful, it's difficult, and you want to leave it behind. And you can. Maybe you won't forget it, but it's done. It's over with. Hindi mo siya mababago. Yung today, lahat tayo, I'm sure we just want to survive today. And that's great, di ba? If you have that resilience. if you have that power to endure. But we gotta hope for something. Kailangan hindi mawala yung pag-asa that there is a tomorrow. And that's what happened. Parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, ito, I'm seeing it right now. This is tomorrow. Nakita ko si tomorrow. Living proof. There is a tomorrow. So, I don't know if I'm making sense for all of you, but I'm making sense for me. Na sana, alam ko, so many of you are also questioning na bakit itong nangyayari sa mga buhay natin. Hindi natin deserve ito. Kailan ba ito matatapos? And, yun nga, na parang, will we have a tomorrow? I hope this video, since I know it's not all about me, but I hope you see na there is a tomorrow. Meron. And you deserve to look forward to tomorrow. Because I got to see tomorrow. And I got to see it now. By some coincidence. Siguro ginustong patunayan sa akin na, oh, Kris, tigilan mo na. There is a tomorrow. I made some decisions habang nananahimik. I went through the decisions I made in the past. And you're right. I agree na I'm partly to blame kung nadamay man ang mga anak ko. I'm taking full responsibility. I can never shield them fully because from the time they were born, I was already Kris. But I can choose what to show you. So ang sabi ko, we will never be regular people. Given yun. But I can choose na what do regular people post. They post birthdays. They post trips. Obviously, walang mga trips ngayon. They post pag nag-graduate yung mga anak. They post pag may mga milestone moments. So, that's a decision I made. Sabi ko, yun ang mga ipapakita ko sa inyo. The regular things that regular people show people. And that's my right. Kasi lahat ng magulang yun ang ginagawa. Pero the other things, yung trabaho, yung trabaho ko, labas na. Out. Out si Kuya Josh, out si Bim. It's my responsibility. Ako yung provider, ako yung nurturer. So, kung ano man po ang mga mapapanoodin nyo, you will still see them. But you will see them doon sa mga events na mga regular na tao. Yun yung mga nilalabas nila. So, ni-review ko. Yung mga So, they will have enough privacy. But you will not get to see them as often as you used. I know na I do not have that luxury because yes, ilang beses ko pong nakita na you said, mayaman ka na, hindi mo na to kailangan gawin. Hindi po ako ganun kayaman. And what you are forgetting is that I do have a son who is in the autism spectrum. He will need lifelong care. He needs to be assured, because I promised that to my mom, na gagawin kong lahat to make sure na he will be comfortable for as long as he will live, and that will take a lot of money. And pag-iipunan ko yan. As far as Bim is concerned, I told him, pinag-usapan namin to, na it's your choice what you want to do with your life. And I will support you. And I will just love you. And hindi na natin kasalanan kung ano maging opinion nila about you, I told him. But what's important is that you know who you are and you're not gonna be like them. And I'm proud of that. Na I've brought up a son who's brave. Kasi nga, araw ng kagitingan ito eh. So, lahat ng mga sinabi niya sa kanya, sorry na lang pero hindi niyo siya napaiyak. Ang napaiyak niyo yung nanay. That's what I learned. Do not talk when you are affected. Do not let them affect you. Because that's what they want to do. And as this sweatshirt says, love. Sorry I know I'm loved. And I know enough of you love me because you made me. And I also know I love enough of you, that's why nandito ako. Because I owe it to you. Wala akong utang na loob dun sa mga tao na walang magawa sa buhay nila kundi pintasan ako. Pero napakalaki ng utang na loob ko dun sa mga tao na come one day, minamahal niyo ako. So, if it makes you happy, kung nakakagaan sa buhay ninyo na napapanood ninyo yung mga posts ko, or naaaliw kayo dahil naririnig niyo yung boses ko, or I always see that, na pag meron akong pinost, kahit daw yung sinulat ko, na napakahaba, pag binabasa nyo, you hear my voice, I'm gonna keep doing that. Because we need more happiness. We need more compassion in this world. And yes, I promised myself na we only have one life to live. Kasi, pinanood yung Me Before You and The Fault in Our Stars. Huwag niyo natanungan kung bakit. Anyway, yung sa Me Before You, na isang napakagandang line, live. Just live. And that's what I'm gonna do. Habang may chance pa, while I can still live. While I can still live, you're not gonna dictate to me who I can love. That's my choice. Kasi the only person na kailangan kong makuha yung approval, dalawa pala sila. Ang ate ko at si Bim. Pag umuo si ate, umuo si Bim, then I'm fine. Pero yung tinanggihan ni ate at tinanggihan ni Bim, sorry, ex ka na. Forever. I wasn't here to fight. I'm here to say thank you. Kasi marami talagang mabait pa rin sa mundo. So, first, this was super nice. And ang nakalagay, they were really beautiful pink roses done by Petalier. And it says, leave yesterday in order to discover tomorrow. And yeah, it's true. Dapat talaga iniiwan ang nakaraan para mahanap mo ang kinabukasan. And by kinabukasan, for me, the future is my son. That's Bim. And in exactly 10 days, he will turn 14. And I'm afraid. Yeah, I can admit it. Kasi my baby's not a baby anymore. So, but I said na I think the best thing I've done in my life is that I raised a good kid. And yeah, despite everything, hindi feeling entitled. Marunong magpasalamat. Marunong mag-thank you. And hindi spoiled. I admit, the mother was so spoiled. Pero yung si Bim, not at all. And so, I figured dapat meron kaming gawin na maganda. Some people from Adidas reached out through my nephew, and I felt they were just so nice. They saw what was happening, and they knew that favorite ni Bimbang Marvel, and they said na could they send him the new collection? And siguro pag naging mabait sa anak mo, ma-appreciate mo talaga. So, Adidas, thank you. And because you did that, you inspired me. Na parang sabi ko, I'm sure sometimes you feel, bakit yung meron, sila pa yung napapadalhan? And I wanted to do something for all of you. Because hindi naman kami mapapadalan kung hindi dahil nanonood kayo. So, that's how marketing works. But of course, they were also kind. So I want to be kind to all of you. Kasi I refuse to turn into what others want me to become. Kaya ito yung promise, and I do keep my promises. April 19, Bim will turn 14. And since I feel he's more important than me, nung nag-birthday ako, it was 5,000 pesos each. Since it's Bim, let's make it 10,000 pesos each. And pinag-isipan ko, 14, so that's 28. Ito supposed to be na gagawin kong, sorry, pumuputok. Okay, anyway. Pinag-isipan ko yun Ito supposed to be 14 sa IG and 14 sa FB. Pero, I was doing that actually because I know mas maraming may nangangailangan sa FB. But I've always been afraid of the number 21. Don't like it. But sabi ko, I gotta conquer my fears. So, it starts today. 21 of you sa Facebook, you will get 10,000 pesos each because I know you need it. And it's my way to say thank you. Kasi dinefend nyo kami. Hindi nyo kami iniwan. I'm not asking for anything in return. It's just my way of saying thank you. And sa IG, because mas nakakaangat kayo sa buhay, 7 of you, para it will still be 28. 7 of you will get 10,000 pesos each. And all I ask is that ang hashtag ninyo, hirapan ako sa hashtag. For someone na normally prepared sa ano. Ito na lang. Hashtag just live. Madali yun. Or, kung gusto yung Tagalogin, mabuhay. Diba yun yun? Mabuhay. That's all I gotta do. And while you're at it, habang nabubuhay ka, magpakabait ka, magmahal ka, mag-share ka kung kaya mo, and magpasalamat ka. So, good luck to all of you. We will make that announcement, and nafe-feel ko na yung mga nasa paligid ko. Alam nilang hindi sila matutulog. But it's for a good cause, because alam ko kailangan nyo. And we have been blessed more than we deserve. Parati ko yung sinasabi. Kung ano man ang nabigay namin sa Pilipinas, times, I think we're 107 million now. So times 107 million ang naibalik nyo sa akin. So, it's always our turn. It's our turn na magpasalamat sa inyo. So, bago mag-April 19, natatawag sa inyo, i-verify na totoo kayo, titingnan ko talagang follower kayo, and you will get on April 19, so in the coming days, expect calls, and gagawin ng paraan na, ulitin ko kasi I am conquering my fears. So 21 of you, sa Facebook, and we will try our best na as much of the Philippines ang mabibigyan. 21 sa Facebook, 7 sa IG, 10,000 pesos galing sa akin. Galing sa pinaghirapan kong pera dahil hindi ko yan makukuha kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. I love you very much. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for being there. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here with you for as long as you want me. Bye. Happy na. Hindi galit. Dahil ayaw ng magalit. Napagod ng magalit, hindi na iiyak. Magmamahal na lang. Bye.